Ford Expedition models from 2018 to 2025 offer multiple methods to control your interior lights. Understanding these controls helps preserve battery life and customize your lighting preferences. There are three primary ways to control your interior lights. Each method offers different levels of convenience and functionality. The primary method is the manual door switch located on your driver's side dashboard to the left of the steering wheel. This switch has three positions that control all dome lights. The switch has three positions. Off disables all dome lights regardless of door status. Door enables automatic lighting when doors open. On keeps lights constantly illuminated. Method 2 involves individual dome light controls. Each dome light has its own manual switch. Press and hold any dome light switch for 3 seconds to disable its automatic function. For 2020 and newer models, Method 3 uses the Sync touchscreen system. Navigate to Settings, then Vehicle, then Lighting, and finally Interior Lights to access comprehensive lighting options. Modern Ford Expeditions feature enhanced LED lighting systems and intelligent battery management. These improvements provide longer bulb life, lower power consumption, and automatic battery preservation when voltage drops too low. Understanding these three control methods gives you complete command over your Ford Expedition's interior lighting system, helping you maintain battery life while ensuring proper illumination when needed. Advanced techniques for Ford Expedition interior light control depend on your specific situation and needs. For camping and overlanding, you need to balance functionality with battery conservation. Use the manual override switch combined with ambient light dimming to maintain visibility while preserving power. At drive-in theaters, you need complete interior light disable to prevent light pollution. Use the Vehicle Settings menu to turn off all interior lighting systems. For security applications requiring complete blackout, fuse removal provides total interior light disable. However, this also affects glove box and cargo area lights. If interior lights won't turn off despite switch position, the most common cause is a door sensor malfunction, particularly in the rear liftgate area. Understanding battery drain is crucial. Interior lights left on will completely drain your battery in 18 to 24 hours. However, LED systems reduce this drain by 40% compared to older incandescent bulbs. These advanced techniques help you manage interior lighting for specific situations while understanding the electrical impact on your vehicle's battery system.